Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with power and cleanliness. Confirm the battery is at least 20% and plug in the original charger so the watch won't die during recovery. Once done, inspect charging pins, optical sensor, and strap for debris. Gently clean with isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. Then open the Xiaomi Wear app on your phone, make a quick backup of settings, and unpair the watch to clear any stale connection before moving to reset steps. Now you execute the deeper fixes. First, try a soft reset by holding the main button for 10 to 15 seconds. This resolves many hangs. If instability continues, perform a factory reset from settings right arrow system, right arrow reset to restore original firmware state. After reset, make sure your phone grants Bluetooth and location permissions, then use Xiaomi Wear to reinstall or update the watch firmware. This step repairs corrupted system files and ensures compatibility between phone and watch. Finally, repair the watch using the app's QR or manual code flow and verify successful sync of time, notifications, and health data. Once paired, run quick diagnostics. Measure heart rate, walk to test step counting and GPS, and send a notification to confirm connectivity. If issues remain, make sure to clear the app cache and try pairing with a second phone to isolate phone versus watch faults. If the problem persists after those checks, contact Xiaomi support with your firmware version and serial number for hard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.